Hey guys, now in our previous video, I forgot to mention this important concept, that is blue-green deployment, which deployment slots provides us. So basically with blue-green deployment, we can achieve zero downtime and quick rollback. So again, if you see this screen, this big box, it is our app service, and inside that, let's assume we have two slots, that is staging slot and production slot. Now, when we deploy a new feature, we first deploy it in this staging slot. We test it completely, and if everything works fine, we simply swap the slots. So that means we swap this staging slot with this production slot and this production slot with this staging slot. And now this slot, see this is our production slot, right? And now as you can imagine, with this approach, first we get zero downtime and quick rollback. Now with this quick rollback, it means, let's say if something breaks in production. So again guys, this is our now production slot. See, this slot is production slot, and let's say something breaks. So we can again simply swap the slots. And again, now in our production environment, we will have that older previously working version. And now this zero downtime and quick rollback feature, it is called blue-green deployment. So in this blue-green deployment, basically we have two environments. One is this blue environment. It always points to the production environment. And then we have green environment. So basically it is our staging environment. So that's it guys for this video. Thanks for listening.